Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Okay, now open your computer book. Open page number 13. Okay, as we read out that page in our last video, so can you tell me what is this? Alright, this is a computer, right? What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine, right? Now, can you tell me what are the main four parts of computer? Oh yes, monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. Okay, now turn your pages. Page number 14. Now we are going to read out that in detail, right? So we will get to know further detail about computer parts. Monitor. A monitor looks like a television. You can see pictures, alphabet, number on a monitor screen. Look at here, it's look like a television, right? You can also see pictures, alphabets, numbers on the monitor screen, right? CPU, Central Processing Unit, right? It's a short name and it's a name for that, right? In a short name, CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of a computer. A computer thinks with its CPU. It's like you cannot run your computer, you cannot on your computer without CPU, right? It's a brain of a computer, right? Like it's a kind of a working, like you cannot work without CPU. As you can have the monitor, right? You can also have the CPU, so you can run your computer, you can on your computer, right? The main four part, if you have it, so you can use your computer, you can on your computer. If anything in these four are missing, you cannot on your computer, right? So the main part of the computer is CPU. We starts our work from the CPU. Keyboard. Keyboard has small buttons on it. These are called keys. These are the small buttons, right? You can see it. It has alphabets, keys, numbers, keys and special key. With keys you can type alphabet and numbers. Okay, so keyboard is for the command, for anything you want to do on your computer. So you type it here, right? And it's like starts work for the CPU and it's appear on the monitor, right? Now as you can see, there are the alphabets, right? Like U, W, E, R, T, Y, U, and these are the special keys, right? Like we are using in the maths, right? And these are the numbers. So all these are we are using in our work, like we are doing something and then we are commanding it and then it will appear on your monitor, right? Monitor screen. Right, now look at the page number 15, right? There is a keyboard and a monitor given below. color the key which have letters of your name with red color, right? Also write your name on the monitor. So this is the monitor, right? You are going to write your name here, right? And then you are going to color the letters of your name, right, with the red color. On the keyboard you are going to color the letters of your name, right? And on the monitor screen you are going to write a name with the pencil, right? Now look at here, mouse. This is a computer mouse, this one, right? As you can see, it has a long wire attached to it. This is the long wire attached to the computer, right? It helps to point things on a computer monitor. It means when you are doing some work on your computer, you are clicking here, right? You are pointing here, and then it will appear on the monitor screen, right? It will command to the CPU, right? And CPU will do processing work, and it will appear on the monitor. Now look at here, this is the computer, right? Monitor, and this is CPU, this is your keyboard, and this is your mouse. Mouse is attached with the CPU, and this one is also attached with the CPU, and monitor is also attached with the CPU. So here we are going, if we are going to type something on the keyboard, so it will commands to the CPU, and CPU will start processing, and it will appear on the monitor. And same for the mouse, if we are start clicking, so it will appear on the monitor. Okay, my dear students, for now, so you have to read out page number 14 and 15 and learn about the parts of computer, right? Till I will come with the next video. So take care of yourselves, and Allah Hafiz.